私の名はゴア、地球の征服者だ。
マグマ大使。
ゴアだ。地球の人間どもを人間もどきにするには私の能力が一番適当だと思います。
分かっている。
だったら私一人にやらせてください。ただ暴れるだけしか能のないやつと一緒じゃ今度の仕事はやりにくいんです。
おつぎしまして気が立って、お前の得意なやり方はただ青い花を振っているうちだけじゃない。それがなくなりゃやっぱり暴れるだけ。力だけなら俺の方が上だ。
地球に青い花はいくらでもある。お前の言うようにはならない。
だったらどうする？
バカ。余計なことを考えるな。
何？やめろ！
今は打ち合もめをしている時ではない。私にとってどっちがより有能な部下かはその結果が証明してくれる。
それじゃなおさら一緒に行動するのは嫌です。私の手柄まで横取りされちゃかないません。
おわさん、こんな奴に何ができるか。今度の作戦はぜひ私を先に。
ああ待て、お前たちの仲の悪さが心配だ。要は地球征服にある。ガレオ、まずお前が行け。その代わりこいつの応援を求めるような結果になったらその時は責任を取るだろうな。
もちろんです。
どうも。
いいだろう。よし、こいつ飛ばすか。
What's wrong?
I don't know. I have a strange feeling.
Please go a little slower. What's the matter? Is there anything I can do for you?
Ambulance.
All right.
Wire service here. Go ahead. I can't hear you. Speak a little louder. I hear you now. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay, I got it. Mora.
Yes, sir.
I want you to cover a story. I just got a call that a strange illness is breaking out all over the area.
Illness?
Citizens are turning bluish. I don't know anything more about it. They fell into a coma and then suddenly turned blue.
That's strange, all right. I wonder what's causing it.
All they told me on the phone was that they've learned it isn't anemia or any illness known to science so far, and they don't know what to call it. Their bodies are turning completely blue. I better get hold of more accurate information. What are you doing here?
Hello, Papa.
Answer the question.
My friend's sister got sick, so I decided to go along and see how she was. It's a strange illness.
What exactly is the matter?
I don't know.
Miko, I guess that his sister turned to a bluish color. Isn't that right?
Huh? How did you guess that?
It's going around.
Are you saying that the sickness is spreading, sir?
That's right. Are your folks aware of what occurred?
No, they're both out of town, and she got sick all of a sudden.
She changed color suddenly?
About 2 minutes after it struck her.
I suggest you tell your folks, and right away.
Good idea.
She in there?
Right. What's wrong? Listen, your mama should find out. Only let me tell her, okay? Why? I can do it. I know you can. Only my way, you see, is a lot easier. Your way? Mm-hmm. I'll go to your mama with a messenger. Then you want me to return to the doctor? Yes. It's better if you remain with your sister. Why do you want to go? My folks will want me to be there when I tell them both what happened to my sister. All right? Here. Don't be angry.
How are you treating it, Doctor?
Can't treat it at all until I know what it is.
What seems to go wrong?
For some strange reason, all the red blood cells have turned blue. She can die in 24 hours.
And there's no cure?
I'm trying to find that out right now. You see, there's nothing in the book for such an ailment. These patients' cases are hopeless because I can't find anything. There is nothing here to indicate a cure for anything even relatively close to a disease like that.
What about a similar case?
I was thinking of looking into that right away.
One could exist somewhere.
I'll refer to this cross-reference file.
Oh? You have such a file?
Yes. I think we've come across a case like this. Here's the telephone number of a well-known specialist right here. He's been treating such a disease.
Got it. We found a doctor. I'm on my way to consult him.
Really? Hurry.
He's on the staff at the General Hospital.
My signal. Go ahead.
Gan the robot boy transforms into Gan the rocket boy to answer Miko's call.
I got your signal. It doesn't look as if there's any danger around here.
I need your assistance.
Assistance?
Mm-hmm. To carry this message.
You send a signal to me just for that?
I shouldn't have done that.
I don't really mean to sound annoyed, but it's not my duty to carry notes, you know. Miko, it's our duty to fight against Rodak and not run errands just because we're rockets. We have to be careful how we spend energy.
I'm terribly sorry.
Oh, now don't be sore. All right, I'll do it only this one time.
No thanks, Gan. I'll deliver the note without you.
Don't. Since his mother is gone, his papa has quite a temper. Even his own temper is easily ruffled all the time.
Here, help this patient, nurse. We found that at the General Hospital, there is a doctor who will treat such a disease. I noticed a lot of victims are delivered to this hospital. I thought it was just a little odd. Everyone already knew this certain doctor existed. This could be more than a coincidence, I realize. Yes, I have to agree with you. Check up on that doctor further, will you?
Right. I'm all finished.
Good.
I took them in color.
Well, very strange. Weird.
Sir, I noticed that the kid's sister had this highway toll ticket in her pocket.
What is it you're trying to say?
Just a hunch. Every one of these victims had a toll ticket, exactly like this one, passing this section of the road.
Mm-hmm. In other words, you have a suspicion that this area has some connection with the mysterious disease. Check on it. Lugo-men, and you will do exactly as Rodak tells you to do. Get up. You are now a lugo-man, and you will obey Rodak. As a lugo-man, you will devote every ounce of your strength to defeat humans all the time. Now go on. From now on, you will obey the orders of Rodak. And you will dedicate your life to the defeat of Earth.
Oh, I sent your folks a telegram. Is your sister okay? Yoshi, what's the matter? You shouldn't have sent the wire. I wanted to. Listen, it's urgent that I talk to you. No. Kiyoshi, I was doing what I thought was right. Unless it has to do with the disease, I won't talk to you at all. It's very important. Well, go someplace, okay? So you think Sis is a Lugo woman, is that what you're trying to say? But it's the truth, Kyoshi. I won't listen to you. Miko, can't you stop telling such stories? It's true, I know. And I'd like to know who's going to believe you. Sis's illness has been cured, so let's let it go at that. Kyoshi.
Rodak, come in. I think my brother's friend Miko has recently learned of our secret. Instruct me.
What do you mean, instruct you? Anyone who finds out our secret has to be destroyed.
I understand, sir.
Come in, number 7, and make your report.
Sis!
What?
Miko says that you're a Lugo woman, is that true?
So Miko managed to learn that.
I guess you're right, Miko. I'm sorry, I really didn't want to believe you. Now what are we going to do? Don't worry. I know one sure way we can get out of this. No.
Hakase, 血管体です。
とうとう嗅ぎつけたな。あいつらを倒すのはわけのないことだが、俺がいなくなったらどんどん増えていく青地病の患者はどうなることか。よく見ておくことだな。
ここです。あ。撃て。
Dr. Maz escapes after it is learned that he is treating human beings who have caught a strange illness, converting them into lugo-men. These lugo-men are from the planet Lugo in the Nastrix galaxy and servants of Rodak, an evil man who is out to possess the world. Hovering over the Earth in his spaceship, Rodak sends to Earth Renotis, a monster that creates a strange illness in Earthlings by transforming their red blood cells to blue. Itomura, a reporter for the National Press International, and staff photographer Liz are covering the story. Mura's son Miko tries to stop them.
Hey, let me out. I'll call for help.
Using the whistle given to Miko by Goldar, the Space Avenger, Miko blows once, signaling Gam, Goldar's son. From the fiery heart of Mount Olympian comes Gam, the robot rocket boy.
Ah. Take me to Papa right now. Please, let's hurry.
Okay. Get in, Miko.
Right.
How can I find your father?
Just look out for Papa's car down there.
Is that the one?
That's the car. A monster. creature that's spreading all the disease down there.
Your father's heading straight for the monster.
Pa will be hurt.
Nico, what are you doing here?
Papa, over there, look.
Oh.
Its blue ray is dangerous.
Hurry. Stop the truck! Pull over! Hey! Ah! Get down. If we don't get out of this area soon, the creature will see us.
What's wrong with my monster, Renotis? All he's doing is smashing things.
But that's good. By smashing things, Renotis is punishing the Earthlings for not surrendering the Earth to you.
However, the monster is supposed to do more than just smash things. Renotis must spread that disease. Lugo number 6. I want you to tell these men how Renotis inflicts the disease. I want everyone to understand.
Renotis absorbs the color pigment of all blue flowers in the fields and converts it into a ray that can penetrate the human body. Once the Earthling has absorbed this ray, his red blood corpuscles change into blue corpuscles and he becomes ill.
Excellent. And this forces the victim into the hands of Dr. Mars, the only doctor whom the Earthlings think can treat such an illness. The doctor then converts these people into lugo-men to serve our purpose in conquering the Earth. The Earthlings must realize that my weapons are far too powerful for them to resist me. Either they surrender their world to me, or else I will be forced to conquer their planet and destroy its people. Why do the Earthlings force me to do this to them? Their world is the most beautiful in the entire universe, and I want to conquer it peacefully.
But Plan 7 is being held up, Rodak. The Earthlings have discovered Dr. Mars, which limits the influx of our men.
I anticipated such trouble. With a plan as important as this one, we must have an alternative.
Look, the monster is only destroying property.
That will have to be corrected. This is why I have 2 advisors, so that I can concentrate on more important matters. Advisor 2, I want you to apply the great wisdom you have used in the past and have the monster do more than destroy property. Do it now.
Do you think it saw us? Papa.
Wait. If I draw the creature's attention to myself, I think I might be able to find out how it injects the disease. It could be our only chance.
You're right.
We might find out how to treat the disease.
Papa, don't go.
It's the only way of not being destroyed.
Let me go to the monster. It's possible that the monster will think that I am an Earthling. Only I'm not, and I can't get sick.
Good idea, Gam.
Being a rocket robot, I have the power. I'm quite positive I'm the only one who's immune to the sickness.
Gam, no more talk.
Monster, here I come.
Good luck. Do you see what it just did? That's it.
But is that all there is to the ray?
His rocket gun looks weak, as though it were damaged. He'll be helpless without it.
It's still working, though. I see the creature's already hurt.
I don't think that the monster can take any more of it. Oh.
Good work. Keep going.
There's another one.
Let's get out of here before it sees us.
Yes, quick.
Look, the rockets aren't exploding any longer.
I wonder what's wrong.
The rockets are melting.
You're right. There's an energy existing in its body, making all the rockets turn into liquid. I've got to think of something.
He's
going to hit the monster. Don't go out there.
Hey! Hey! No! Don't go near that creature! Gam, are you all right?
Help him up.
Let's take a look.
It's only minor damage. I don't feel any pain. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, thank you. If I hadn't heard your shouting, I'd feel in a lot worse condition than this.
Those are your signals from Miko.
I know. From the fiery heart of Mount Olympian comes Goldar, the Space Avenger, transformed into a rocket. Goldar transforms back into a robot.
Father, I tried to destroy the monster, but I couldn't do it.
I know. I was watching on the TV screen waiting for Miko's signal. This monster has the capability of melting rockets and other weapons made of metal.
Then we can't destroy it using ordinary weapons?
No. Methuselah advised me to use liquid chemicals.
Then I want to do that with you.
You must first get permission from the wise wizard Methuselah, who created us. He must always know what we are doing. At least the other monster is gone.
You still have to destroy it.
He knows that. However, Goldar can't destroy that creature until we locate it again. Thanks.
Thanks.
See you later.
So long.
It's Sypnosis that's causing this disease. Is that correct?
Yes. Doctors have to discover an antidote.
Quickly.
Hello? I want you to contact the Central Research Center. Yes. Right. Immediately.
Those that were ill lost their identity to lugo-men. Now we have to learn where the real men are hidden.
Yes, I know. We're going to launch an all-out investigation. I can't even guess where they are.
Mm-hmm. Sis also became a Lugo woman, you know. We'll find you real, Sis.
Yes? You got hold of the Central Research Center. Good. Put them through.
Look. They're dolls. In all the years I've worked here, I've never seen such a thing.
They're in excellent condition.
It could be these dolls were stolen.
My good sense says we better telephone the authorities of this instead of keeping the dolls.
You're right.
I'll do it right this minute.
Huh? What is it? Is it something you just ate?
The heart's working.
A doll's heart is beating?
I heard it.
How stupid can you be, huh?
Don't
Just
hold
a
it.
doll.
I heard it beating.
Hey, here, I'll prove
Don't
it.
touch it. Don't touch it.
What's
Keep your hands
wrong with
away.
you? Cut it out. Stop it.
Oh.
Yes, of course. We'll be right there. Life-size dolls were just found. Dolls? The strange thing about it is that they had beating hearts like those of human beings.
Sir.
At ease. It's true.
It's really got a heart?
These are the bodies of the human beings that the evil Dr. Mars treated. We can still find the cure as long as they're not dead.
My sister among any of these dolls lying here?
No, I don't think so. I'm afraid none of these dolls looks anything like your sister. The faces would stay the same, I think.
If the faces don't change, then I can still find Sis around here. Think so?
I don't know.
We'll look further.
We will search every inch of this place. Now, I think it's a good idea for doctors to closely examine these dolls right away. Sergeant! Yes, sir. Search this area at once. Yes, sir.
Methuselah, the wise wizard, checks Gam for damage.
There, Gam. There's nothing wrong with you now. You can get up.
Thank you, Methuselah.
So, the monster Renault has started a disease so new, the Earthlings don't even have a name for it yet. Are there many victims?
Yes, sir. Medical researchers are trying to cure the disease.
There is only one thing for us to do now. We've got to use the extract of the Balangor seeds that one gets from that mysterious flower.
Huh? Balangor?
Yes, it grows not far away and is the best thing to counteract this disease.
Then this should be done quickly. The humans should be told.
Not only will it cure the sick Earthlings, it could also destroy the creature Renotus. The important thing is to get it into the veins of the creature. And how are we going to do that? I haven't as yet figured the solution. The thing to do now is to cure the humans who are sick, and then we'll attack the creature.
I'll go and get the seeds of the Balangor flower right now.
No. Only an Earthling can touch those seeds. Your bodies function with static electricity. I am the only one that knows that Balangor weakens electric power.
Then you can't go get those seeds. Miko can get them since he's a human being.
Okay. I'll tell that to Miko.
It's Sis! It's her!
Miko!
What are you doing here?
It's a bit hard to locate you without the whistle. I'd rather hear your signal.
He tried to locate you downtown. He has just learned of a new cure for all the victims who have contracted the strange disease.
That's wonderful.
Kyochi, we'll be able to cure your sister.
Really?
It'll just take a little time.
Isn't that great? Is it really true?
Uh-huh.
Sis, you can be cured. Gam just found a way and everything is going to be all right. Gam, thank you. Miko, I just wish your mama could be located. I just know we'll locate her pretty soon. While the Space Avenger is around, Mama will live with us again. I sure miss her more than anything, you know.
Miko, you're counting only on Goldar?
Oh, and there's also Goldar's son, of course.
Miko! Well, son, we're going to have to hurry. There's no reason for these dolls to suffer any longer.
I'll see you later, Gam. Excuse me. Good luck, Miko!
Doctors are trying to convert the dolls back into their original human form. Meanwhile, panic continues to spread on Earth.
Let me get a picture. Hold him still for a minute, please. Clear the way. Please, let the patient through. Out of the way.
You foolish Earthlings. Do you think you can cure this disease? Why, it took me years using the finest equipment to discover it. You are helpless and will be forced to give me what I want. By the time you have found a cure, the Earth will be mine to do with as I please. All over your world, thousands of victims are suffering, and there is nothing you can do about it. Tomorrow, thousands more will fall victim to my monster Renotis, a monster that still hasn't used all of its weapons. Listen to me, Earthlings. Surrender your world, and I shall send Renotis away. If you don't surrender, everyone on Earth will become a victim. Don't think that your medical research units will find a cure. Why, with all the medical knowledge you Earthlings possess, you can't even find a cure for the common cold.
But Rodak doesn't know that the wise wizard Methuselah has found a cure. The seeds of the Balangor flower. Gam has instructed Miko to go where the seeds can be found.
Good morning. Would you care for a little refreshment? Why, thank you. You want any?
Mm-mm.
Papa, where's Balangor Island?
In the middle of the ocean, according to the map, it's just above the equator.
But how do we locate the seeds when we don't know what they look like?
I'll have to ask one of our associates who resides on the island, a botanist who does research there. Are you tired?
I think so. I want to take a nap.
It's only 10 in the morning and you're sleeping? Miko, what's the matter? Excuse me.
There's no need to call her, sir.
What?
She can't do you any good, Mr. Tom Mora.
What is it?
You can't escape, so I suggest you don't try it. All of the communications have been cut and you will not receive aid. Your son's in no condition to call Goldar.
You pilots are really lugo-men, is that it? Put your hands up.
Your gun is useless.
Lugo-man, number 20 is reporting, sir.
I want all of you to disappear instantly.
Yes, sir.
What? Where do they go?
Now that the plane has no one to operate it properly, I trust you will have a safe journey.
Miko. Miko, wake up. Island. I'll try to land.
こちら管制塔、こちら管制塔、着陸指示を待て、着陸指示を待て。おし、応答がない。こちら管制塔、こちら管制塔、応答せよ、応答せよ。どうした？あ、危ない！スピードを落とせ！潮を上げろ！そのままで地面に突っ込むぞ！潮を上げろ！おい、どうするつもりだ？いつまで旋回を続けるつもりだ？燃料はもうないはずだぞ。 救助隊走り続け。
Miko, I don't know what to do. The fuel's going. Any moment we will go into a dive toward Earth. Miko, we're going to crash.
From the fiery heart of Mount Olympian comes Gan, the robot rocket boy, answering the one-whistle signal.
Gan, we're out of fuel. I don't know what to do. I can't hear you. Here, the throttle. What? Where? Oh, this one? That one? Oh, thank you.
Being a rocket, I know airplane controls. It was very easy.
Huh?
I would like to know where Miko is.
Huh?
Papa. Where are you?
I don't see the associate that you said would meet you here. Mr. Moore. I'm Mary. I was sent to meet you.
Huh? And I'm the reporter.
May I show you the island?
Are you the daughter of Dr. Araki?
That's right.
My son, Miko, and Gan, his friend.
Hello.
How do you do?
Where's your father?
I regret I have sad news. You see, he died last year. I thought you knew about that.
No, I didn't. That is very sad news. Who took his place here in Balangor?
Somebody.
You'll guide us? Thank you. Okay, come on, let's get in the car.
Mary, what's that around your neck? It's like a flute. I'd like to hear how it sounds. All right?
Samba, where will we find the Balangor seeds?
There, behind that mountain. We will have to go to the other side.
Now.
That was a close call. I wonder who it was that planted the dynamite.
I'd say that Rodak's lugo-men did it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll go and catch them. They're going to pay for this.
Wait. With all these trees, we'll never locate them now. Don't forget, it's the Balagor seeds that are first on our list. You disagree, Zamba? Then it's settled.
Now how do we get over the water?
Don't worry. I'll take care of that. Let's go.
I guess you know what you're doing.
Get in.
What are you up to?
Watch.
Ah. Damn, we're ready up here.
Now watch how easy we'll get across the river.
Don't drop it.
I've got control now.
Please go slower.
Thank you, Gam.
I didn't know you could carry so much.
Gam was really great, I thought. I can fly. Well, the rest of you have to climb it.
Go ahead, I don't care.
Miko.
Be careful you don't slip.
I'm all right.
Watch yourselves. These rocks are slippery.
Let them go. Miko, don't panic. I'll try to reach you. Try to reach my hand? Here, use this.
Oh, Miko. Help if you can, okay? All right.
I don't need your assistance.
Don't be stubborn. Let me help you.
Okay.
This isn't long enough. Hold on to me. Miko, are you all right?
Yes.
We'll have to get across to the other side. Watch out for that alligator over there.
Are you scared, Nico?
No.
Let's go.
Get down.
Let's get out of here.
Right.
Get down. Keep your heads down, all of you. We can get up now.
What's so funny?
Your face is all dirty.
So what?
What's the matter?
Huh?
What's wrong, Gan?
Huh?
What was it?
A dangerous insect.
Clean your face.
Here. Thanks.
Oh. Get down. They're up there. I gave them a false trail.
Good. There's where we have to go. Everyone all set? It's a long hike.
Yes.
Approaching in the form of a rocket, Goldar, the Space Avenger, transforms into a robot.
What are you doing here?
Mr. Mura, you have to leave the island. We have to return to the city immediately. I came to pick you up. Oh? But the monster Renotis has struck again. City officials need all the help they can get to collect the victims. We'll have to hurry.
Of course.
Papa, I'll get the Valengortines for you.
Mr. Mura, we cannot use up any more time here.
Take care.
I will, Papa.
バランゴはもうじき魔物たちが届けると思います。で、ガレオンは、
原子力発電所を襲って以後、姿をくらましておるんだが。
I had to leave my son in charge with a guide. I'm hoping there won't be any trouble on that island. Yes? Again? Renotis is destroying again, you say?
Well, the
What?
teleprompter.
Goldar, you have to do something.
I shall. I challenge you, Renotis. Fight! I shall destroy you. What? monster has disappeared. You'll find those seeds in that valley.
I see. Gam, you'll have to stay here.
Why can't he come with us?
Gam is run on electricity, right? The Balangor strength will weaken if he comes too close. Gam was told all about it.
I can't understand why that's true.
What do you mean by that?
I was the one who assisted everyone in this jungle.
What are you saying? That you are better than us? You can't be. You're a robot. That's all you are.
You humans are strong. However, we are stronger.
You can't say that without backing it up. Just try.
Stop it. Both of you seem to be forgetting that we're on a mission. Don't forget the seeds we have to get. I don't care. I refuse to be insulted. If you think you're stronger than a robot, then I don't want to stay. I'll go home.
I don't care if he leaves us. Let's go.
Those are the seeds.
Let's pick them up.
Right. Oh, he's dropped the other monster. I'll get it now.
Wait, Miko.
That ugly monster better stay away.
Miko, I think we better run from here. Let's go. Hurry.
No, we came all this way for nothing.
はい、こちら NPI。何？おうち病が大阪にまで広がった？それで被害者の数は？
もしもし
21人も。
名古屋の大学病院が町の人たちに襲われた？で、原因は？はい。はい。それから？病院では青内病は治
バランゴを届けてくれ。守る。ガムク。頼む。
青地病を治すキノコバランゴの到着を待ちわびる村上たちの願いも虚しく、守たちは身動きの取れない状態にあった。
畜生、手も足も出ですね。ガム呼んだら。ごめんだよ。誰が何か頼むもんか。
じゃあどうするの？早くしないと青地病の人たちは死んでしまうわ。守さん。
What are you saying, that you're better than us? You can't be. You're a robot. That's all you are.
You humans are strong. However, we are stronger.
That doesn't. Back that up right this second.
That's fine with me.
Damn. I saw you and Miko have that fight. I was watching it on the TV screen.
I certainly am positive that they're not superior.
You wouldn't be angry unless you thought they were. There is only one solution, to make you into a human being.
What?
That way you will know the advantages and disadvantages of being human. Then you will be proud to be a robot rocket. It's the only way.
Ouch! Ah, it's Gim.
What are you doing here? I didn't call for you.
Oh. Hey. I felt pain exactly like an Earthling. Huh. He looks as though he did. It's true. Methuselah made me into a human being to teach me that there are advantages in being a human instead of a robot rocket. We should destroy it. Uh-huh. The creature is there to guard the Balangor seeds. That's so. I'll be right back.
No, don't go.
That's odd. I was never afraid of anything before this.
Well, you're afraid now.
Then why don't you go to the monster?
All right, I will.
Miko, don't.
You're being silly. Don't worry.
You're no hero.
Well, you're no hero either.
No, both of you are being ridiculous. You need all your energy to fight the creature, all right? Miko, why don't you call Goldar?
He was here before. Papa and Goldar are assisting those that are ill. But thanks for your suggestion, though.
I wish I was a rocket now.
You're a human being now.
Big deal. I guess it'll be best to inform the authorities. I'll find my way back to the city and get assistance.
It's too late to find anyone now.
There's no other choice, is there? I've got to go.
I think you should bring assistance.
Uh-huh, good. Then I'll go. Take care. I hope you can make it.
So do I. I'll bet he's scared out of his wits in that jungle. I don't think we can afford to wait too much longer.
We have to get those Balangor seeds.
I'll try. Gam's got to get through. He might have a chance if I divert the monster's attention.
Samba, stay here, please. You'll get hurt.
I'm going.
Come back.
Let's go.
I think I'm lost. I wonder if anyone's around. I'll try. Anybody here? Anybody here? Anybody here? Anybody here? Well, it looks to me as though I just lost my direction.
Miko, are you all right? Try to use the gun. Come on. Start firing. Try to hit the monster.
Got it. At last I know what to do. Sam, you wait here. I'm going to try and get that musical instrument.
Be careful.
Want me to play?
Yes, try it.
Okay. Any particular song?
Anything.
All right.
Play that. Continuously. Playing that. You're doing beautifully. It looks as though we have a dancing monster.
Hello out there! Is anyone around?
You are now back to being a robot rocket boy. If you like yourself as a human being, I can change you back into one.
No, thank you.
Is that so? Why not?
First of all, I was frightened. I never knew it was like that. And I also felt like a coward. Yes, especially when there was trouble.
What I tried to teach you, Gam, is that there is nothing perfect in the universe. There are advantages and disadvantages to being a robot or an Earthling. What one must learn to do is to concentrate on the good and benefit from it. This will make everyone proud of what they are.
Then Miko was jealous of the good things we could do.
Samba, let's see if we can get those seeds.
What does that idiotic monster think it's doing? It should be destroying, not fruging. I must change my plan now as quickly as possible. Hold on to this bag.
Right.
You made it. Now here's what you're going to do. Get those back to the city as fast as possible.
Right. Renata, what is it doing here?
How do you like that, Miko? If one of my monsters fails, I simply substitute it with another monster.
Uh-oh. What do I do now? I have blocks on one side and Renata's on the other side. Now what next? I need a way to fight that monster. I'll use the Valangor seeds. I'll try it.
Miko, you thought that since the seeds cure the illness Renotis gives, it would hurt the monster. But I made Renotis immune to them, and now you're trapped. Renotis, this time you will not escape me. Now fight, or run like a coward. Fight! Renotis, I know you haven't disappeared. You are using camouflage, and I am going to destroy its effect. Now that I've learned your secret, I'm going to destroy you. I'm trapped. All right, I'll take both of you on. Let's move away.
Lugo-men.
For you, there is no escape. Shoot!
Come on. It's too dangerous to remain. We better get out. Where's Gam now that he's needed?
Look, Gam. You see what's happening. Rodak has engineered a clever trap. Rodak is hoping to destroy all his enemies in one try. Shall we fix that?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Gam, listen to me. You must go at once to help them.
Right.
Transforming into a rocket, Gam leaves his base in the fiery heart of Mount Olympia.
They're not to leave here alive! Keep firing!
Gam's here. Look at that!
I'm proud of you, Gam.
What's happening down there?
All right, Rox. Now it's between you and me.
You'll be safe for a while now.
I'll get you back to your father, Miko. Those Balangor seeds are urgently needed.
これがバランゴだよ。
そうか、よくやった。
これもみんなマヤさんのおかげだよ。違うわ。
Gam will help us get out of danger. Right, Samba?
Mm-hmm. Miko, Gam, I want you to make up and be friends again.
I'm sorry about it, Miko. I'm not going to get angry or brag like that again.
What I said wasn't right. I don't know what I'd do if you weren't a robot boy.
Mm-mm. Don't think about it any longer. I was taught that there are advantages and disadvantages to everything.
Now I want you to shake hands like gentlemen.
Shake.
Let's get those seeds to the research center.
Here they are.
I would like to thank each of you.
Glad to...
Gam and I will escort you.